Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how I changed my nails from this to this. Keep watching. The first thing that I need to do is to remove the old art that I have on my nails, and I do have quite a bit of growth, so I will be using this rougher safe bit, and I'm gonna make sure just to remove everything possible, just getting my nails ready for a fill. You will see some of the design poking through, and that's because this is I believe it's my third fill on this set. So for the first set that I did on my nails, I did encapsulated the Chanel logo, and I also used some glitter and whatnot. Now I am going to work on my cuticle area, and for that I'm using a bit that is not too harsh, and that's just gonna give me I'm just gonna clean that cuticle area, getting my nails ready for a fill. Now I am gonna use the same tool just to clean inside my natural nail, and that's because my natural nails are growing out quite a bit, so I like just to shorten them or just make it cleaner in there. Right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to a ceramic bit. This one is not a safe bit, so you need to be very careful. I still do get myself here and there with it, so just gotta be careful not to go too close to your actual skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work on each nail, making sure that I have removed everything I want to remove, and now I'm gonna be working on the actual shape, which is gonna be stiletto, and practically I just work on the edges so I can make them pointy like so. Once I'm done working with each nail, then it is time to file, and this is where I take the longest. I am very picky with my nails, so I have to make sure that there's nothing either sticking out or that it looks too uneven. And I am not perfect. I'm self-taught. I practically learned doing my nails by just watching other people doing nails and just trying it on myself. So you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use a softer bit and just once again go around the shape and the edges of each nail. And once I'm done with this step, then it's time just to wash my hands. I want to make sure that there is no powder or anything, because now it is time to fill in my nails. The first step is, of course, to prime your nails, and see here on this pinky you can see that I got my skin. I'm telling you, not perfect yet. And right after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in my nails with this clear acrylic from Mia's Secret. The monomer is also from Mia's Secret. Once I'm done with the filling, then I am gonna move on with filing, and for that I do like to use this block right here. After I finish this step, you can either wash your hands or just clean each one of your nails. I went ahead and washed my hands, and now I'm ready to start working on the actual color. And for this one, I'm using the gelish hot red, and I did have to do more than 2 coats just because I wanted that color to be more intense. Once you're done applying the coats, then you are going to clean your nails, and then you can, like I said, you can start working on your nail art. In this case, I will be using these stickers. I think I ordered them on Amazon, and I'm just gonna be using the logo for Chanel, and it's actually quite easy to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start working on the actual nail art. I'm just gonna place the stickers on, and then I will be placing a top coat. Okay, my friend, this is the final design. I hope that you like this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one.